Linking your bank to your Coros account is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances effectively. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Open the Coros app. Launch the Coros app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account. If you do not have the app, download it from your device's app store. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once in the app, locate the Settings icon, usually found in the bottom right corner. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Payment Options. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Add bank accounts. You will see an option to add bank account to a link bank. Tap on this option and follow the prompts to enter your bank details, including your account number and routing number. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, tap on the Save or Link button to complete the process. You may receive a confirmation message once the linking is successful. Now you are ready to manage your finances through your Coros account. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Help section in the app for further assistance.